Super idol bing bong, good soup. She said she was 12. What the dog doing? I like your cut G. To Bobby Manano, you smell like a baka.
It's not about booty or if you can shake it, but girl, can you do some equations? Man, don't care if you're black, Caucasian, or Asian, you gotta be smarter for dating. Fact. Cause if you are dumb, then I'm gonna run. That's honesty, I am not hating. If you can't do your work, then please do not flirt. Stupidity is irritating. Dumb. You want you a Birkin, so you out here twerking. I know you know better than that. Fat. You're trying to be Nicki, you're trying to be Cardi, but baby, your booty is flat. Flat. Just go do your work. You don't have to twerk. It's really not good for your back. Not good for your back. And just go to class. Intelligence, that is a hack. It's how you get racks.
Tu no mete cabra Saramambique. 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 Y si te me enfocas nos vamos a subir.
I'm in the jungle like Bigfoot, say he a tiger, smoking like big woods. Bitches on me, my figure, 5'8", but my racks on 6 foot. Most of you niggas just get shook, he ain't no rider, I know he gon' get booked.